What's up, everyone? Welcome to the video. Today we're going to take a look at how to reset the oil life on a 2022 Chevy Traverse. Like I said, it's a 22 Traverse in this video, but it will be the same on several different years. So we'll need to be in the vehicle with our Traverse running. Then I'm going to be using these buttons on the right hand side of the steering wheel. So the first thing I'm going to do is arrow left, or press the left arrow. That's going to take us to this screen. Then what I'm going to do from here is arrow up and keep scrolling up until we get to the info screen. Once the info screen's highlighted, then press the check mark. Then what we're going to do is either scroll up or down and keep scrolling up or down until we get to the oil life percentage. Once we have the oil life percentage up like that, what I'm going to do is press the right arrow. And then that's going to take us to this screen. And you can see reset is highlighted. So then I'm going to press the check mark. And then it's just asking, are you sure you want to reset? I'm going to arrow up until yes is highlighted. And then once yes is highlighted, I'll press the check mark. And then as you can see there, it was reset back to 100%. If you have any questions, please let me know. If you could take a second to like and subscribe, it helps us out, and I'd appreciate it. Thank you.